So this is the Ninja Juicer kitchen countertop appliance. If you're ever interested in making juice with fruits or veggies, this is definitely worth a look. Just gonna dust it off before we get started here. And basically there's on the top you just put that catcher that's where the fruit and veggies are gonna go, and on the bottom there's a juice catcher, and then you just open up the valve for that so it goes in the cup, and in the very front what you see there is where basically the pulp is gonna go. So we're just going to make some orange juice. These are Cara Cara oranges, which give it that little bit more of a grapefruit color to it, but they are a little sweeter, so it's kind of nice. On the back of the machine there's the start stop and the hold to reverse. Sometimes it gets clogged, so you need to reverse it. Doesn't happen very often. Looking down the chute where the fruit's going to go, you can see the auger spinning. That's actually what's going to do the extraction of the juice. So we're just going to take small pieces of cut up oranges with the skin peeled off and drop them in there, and for when you get enough in there, you just tamp it down, and that kind of forces it through, and the juice comes out the bottom and gets caught into the juice cup. So it's pretty basic in terms of its function. It's a little close-up of the juice getting pummeled, and what comes out the front is really the pulp. It's the debris, it's the unused fruit or vegetable, which is really good for your compost if you compost. Drop some more in here, make some more orange juice. As you can see, it's just a continuous spin of that auger, which pulls the fruit forward, extracts the juice, and spits the pulp out. Quick decibel test with ambient noise in the kitchen. It's somewhere between 60 and 70 decibels, so it's not as loud as a blender, but it's louder than the quietest dishwasher. It's certainly louder than the room ambient noise in the room. So when you're done, you just close the valve so that it stops dripping, and you take your juice out and pour it in a glass and enjoy it. I water mine down with little ice cubes because it can be kind of acidic, but it is really, really good. Yeah. To clean it, you just unscrew all the components and it comes apart pretty easily. And what's nice about it is that you can get really, really inside it because the components come apart to clean it. And it is necessary because there's a lot to clean. So that's kind of on the after work part. There's more after work than you might want, but it's totally worth it to get the juice out of it. It is nice that it comes apart though, so that it can be cleaned, but it is a lot of cleanup to do afterwards. And that's just a close-up to show you how it locks on there, and then how you hit the release button to basically pull it back off. So in the end, this does what it says, and we're very happy with it and enjoying some very healthy juice to start the new year. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up or hit the bell to be notified when new ones come out.